Christmas is coming and Santa is gonna deliver any present you have to note. You have to put a note and then you put it under the Christmas tree and he comes and take on the teeth and then he put the lid like this and then he put the present underneath the tree. You can get a big tree or real tree or toy tree or from mall tree. Real mall tree. You can buy it every store when the Christmas comes. And my school is gonna be Christmas party. You can be Elf, you can be Santa, you can be Fort Fan, Elsa, and you can also be Anna. From the 14, you can be Elf and the fairy. So we are making cookie. So we had some flour. We had some sugar, it's very yummy. And we had some butter. Had a little bit toast. And when something falls down, we're gonna wipe it up. We have the mixture. And the other things are down the table. Okay? Let's start the video. I'm very smiling because I'm very excited. So, the first ingredient we're gonna use butter. Why do you only do takami, not a pop? It's more butter. Bog. Our camera name is Bog. You know that. Together we had to use sugar to not sorry to mix it up. I forget every time. Sugar. I love sugar. I love sugar. My hand got it. It looked very weird. I cannot see the butter anymore. Look at how many sugar I put. See from the gut. Like Kukutomi. You cannot see, you have to see this. Let's put some more sugar. So we are done. You can see how much, guys. See. I hope it not fall down. I'm falling down. Put on the there. And we have this cookie. And now we are done. Now we're gonna put the powder. I put them whole. They will look very nice. And we need some flour. Do a little bit milk. And a little bit like that. And then I hope I'm putting the two hands. And then I can fall down. Like, oh! That looks very ugly. Ugly. Makes me funny. Ugly. Ugly is a very funny word. I can never chat in my life. You can see, guys? No. Maybe this side you can see. You can see. When we are done mixing it, look at this. My mommy will help me to put. Okay, we are done. I just put all the powder and coming on me. You know this, I put in the Peppa Pig. I love Peppa Pig. This is your favorite Peppa Pig touch? It's white on the peanut. This is good. Now, when we're done mixing, we put these two balls too, and now we're gonna put them around. You can see how much that is very keen. Let me put them. Now you can see. Now you can see that. And okay, we have to make big laddu. Then we have to roll it. We have to make a big ball. Then we have to roll it. Then now another one. We bought this, and we have this and this. We don't need this, by the way. And we have some cookie cutter, but this is actually some. We don't have a cookie cutter. My mommy in the video, but I don't know. So my mom tell me to make the video. So why is laughing about it? Okay, the dog is laughing. I don't know why. So this is the cookie cutter. This is the cake cutter. We use it because we don't have a. Okay. My favorite fan is mascara. Now I'm gonna roll it out. Gonna take the cookie cutter. Actually, this is like going on. Okay, that's okay. Why am I worried about it? My thing fall down and I worry about it. You can pick it up. And I'm very nervous. I don't know how to do this. Then we're gonna make a perfect circle. Oh no, it's broken! Like broken in half. So rolling done. Now we're gonna put the cookie in this one. We're gonna do the bunny. This we're gonna hop on it. Hop. I mean like this. And a butterfly. So, now you can see. 3 in this big one. Circle on this one. Then the hole on the top so you can see it. After that we have to put it in the oven. It's all green. Right? 3 green and 1 pink and blue and red. We're gonna put this. Now we're gonna put this. So we are done. So in morning means we take it out. Like we take it out and we put it there. You have to be very careful. Bunny have to be very cute. Now we're gonna do the dit one. Now we're gonna make some more cookies. So I'm putting this, but we have more falling down. So I'm gonna be very careful. So 1, another one, and the video. So we are done making cookies. I'm gonna put it in the oven to let's do it. Let's put it in the oven. I'm very careful. My goodness, I never did it. And now veggie button. Veggie button. You can see this guy like rounding and getting gonna reach the light. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna pause the video in few minutes. So the cookie takes very long. So bye bye. So my cookies are baked and look how big they are. They're like very big. This circle was like this together. And now it's very big. They're sitting together, so that's why we did put it cut. So I'm gonna take this one. Triangle. I'm working. Good night. So you comment below and if you like it.